Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw something super yummy and super cute, a kawaii ice cream with ears and hearts. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Draw a big rectangle, but make the top part round like a dome, just like soft ice cream. Now, at the bottom, draw a small narrow rectangle, that's the stick. Draw a wavy horizontal line near the bottom, that's the melted topping. Now time to make it cute. Let's draw two big adorable eyes. One on each side, don't forget to leave little white circles for sparkle. Right between the eyes, let's draw a tiny heart-shaped nose. And a small smiley mouth just below it. Let's add some ears on top, like a cat or a bunny. Almost done. Now for a final cute touch. Let's draw tiny heart shapes floating all around the ice cream. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now go over the outlines with your black marker and make them bold and sharp, so the artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! It's time to color. Let's use our favorite color pens. We'll start with pink color. Wow! Cream color. Orange color. Yellow color. Red color. Wow! What a cute ice cream! You did such a great job! Don't forget to show your drawing to your friends and family. And if you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings every week. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.